Building a log cabin can be super intimidating, but today I'm going to show you how we make it super simple. Hi everyone, my name is Jordan from Schutt Log Homes, and today I wanted to present to you some of our kits and showcase why a lot of people are afraid to build and how we here at Schutt Log Homes make it simple. So, a little bit of backstory. Schutt Log Homes is a log home building company, and we specialize in doing a lot of custom cabin kits. So we have a lot of experience in building and in helping people get through this process. But in lieu of that, a lot of people are really afraid to make the step of building a home. So hopefully today we can alleviate that. Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom hunting cabin manual. And so what do I mean by a manual? This is a super detail-oriented description of how everything is assembled in the home. It comes with floor plan, it tells you about tools you need, talks about all the prep work you're gonna have to do, and I can just kind of showcase some of the digital designs and images that you will see with description of each thing to do. As well, if there's any level of confusion, we have an open line you can call Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, and you can ask any questions you have or order more material, whatever it is that you may need. So on our website, there's also a what's included page that I'll show you. But before I do that, I want to show you that we offer more than just small cabins. We have huge 4,000 square foot mountain views. We have 1,200 square foot chalet kits, and so much more. And the beauty of everything we do is that it's custom. Another awesome thing about what we do to make things easier for you is you can come check out some of our cabins that we have for tour on Fridays. Also, when you come talk to us, we have samples of different colors of chink you can use just to help break down what it is that you want, get an idea. As well, when you come, you get one of these folders that go through everything that's included, builders you can talk to, financing information, and lots of other helpful detailed written form information. If you enjoyed this kind of content and want to see more, be sure to check out our website, oakcabins.com, or check out our YouTube channel for more awesome videos. Thanks.